Hey y'all, this is Set to Achieve. Welcome to another video. And today I'm downloading a list from Propwire. If you are familiar with Propwire, or you might or you may not be, it's a real estate software whereby you are able to um, download lists for free. They have all types of property types. They have single family homes, condo, townhouses, multifamily, mobile homes, land, commercial, and other. Okay. But here I'm doing vacant land. And actually, I was using PropWire, not PropWire. I was using PropStream, but this is free, and you can't beat free. So by the way, they also have skip tracing, if you want to skip trace. But here I just want to just show how to download a list, because I was having a hard time. I've done it before, but I didn't record it. So that was uh, that was something that I said, what, this time around I'm going to go ahead and do, because I need to do it, if not to help anybody else, but to help myself, so I can go back and, as something that I can um, use, if I'm having problems next time. So here it is. So this is my list. And if you're doing vacant land, you can just use this as well. Property type, click on property type, click on land. And then, for sellers, you can have your own filters. I just have my own filters. This is land. The lot size is 10 to 100. Ooh, did I put 120,000? 120. Oh, it should have been 12,000. Okay. That's why it's good to look to see what the heck you did. So let me go to property type. I think I put too many zeros. I'm like, what? 12, 120,000? What did I just do? Owner filters. It should be individual. So it doesn't say it here, but yeah, it's individual. And then years of ownership should be now absentee owner location, in state, out of state. I just put any. You don't, like, it doesn't really matter. You can put out of state too. Years of ownership 10. Property owner property owned by owner. Now, if we were dealing with buyers or cash buyers, now we want like 50 or 60 minimum. But since that's not the case, then we just want like just a regular list, and then we're going from there. Financial filters, foreclosure filters, MLS filters. I'm just gonna leave that alone. Okay, so uh, so this is our list. So I'm gonna save and close. Okay, so 19,000. Okay, no, so 11,000 plus. Okay, so here goes our list, and now I'm gonna um show you how to get this number right here. And this is actually big, because I was stressing, like, this is what I was doing. I was like, this was unchecked. And so where it says, so what you need to do is, to get this number to be what you want, you're going to go here and put, let's see. So let's say I want a list of 2,000. I don't want this whole list, okay? I don't want this whole um list, but I just want these. So you're going to, so let me just put enter. Okay, so 1 to 2,000. So it has 2,000 here. But you can also click this arrow down here. I'm sorry, not that, no, right here, and you can deselect it. Um, you can do like this and remove all. So let's just start from scratch. Let's remove all. Right. So let's see. Let's say remove all. So we're gonna start from zero, right? So let's remove everything. So let's start from zero. So our list is 2,000. So let's click on this arrow right here. So select page. 100, select all, 2000. So we want to select all, right? Of the ones that we put in this range from 1 to 2000. If you want to put 3000, let's go ahead and put 3000. If you want a list of 3000, click enter and then click on this arrow right here. Select all 3000. And this number is going to change, okay? So whatever you click here and select here is what you're going to have here. But I only want 2000. So I'm going to put 2000, okay? All right. And then click on this arrow, just select the 100. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I'm going to go back here, remove all, okay? And exit out. So now 0. So now if you click on here, it's 2000. Select all 2000. So I'm going to click 2000, okay? So you can see that if you have a number here that you don't like, you just click on it, click remove all, okay? Close it off. It'll be 0. Put the range that you want, whatever, even if it's like 11,000 plus here and you only want 2,000, type it in here, and then click on select all, and the number is going to show right here on the right, okay? So I'm going to click on here, select all 2000, and the number is going to be right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Now if I want to download it, you can skip trace before you download, okay? And you can do that, but I'm just going to download for this video. So I'm going to click on download. I'm just only going to download, okay? So are you sure you want to download without skip tracing? Yes. So just click on yes, download only. So you download your list, okay? So that's what you do. I just wanted to show you, and then once you download, it'll start processing, and once it's done, you get an alert that it's done, okay? So I'm just gonna close this off, but I just want to just put this out there to help myself first and foremost, because I was struggling with it. Like, what did I do the last time? Like, what? Like, I was struggling with it, so I don't want to struggle anymore. So I said I'm gonna record this video and put it out there. So anybody that uses Propwire that kind of was struggling with, trying to download the list of the number that they want, they can. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna stop the video. It's a set to achieve. Hope you learned something. Like, subscribe, share, and till next time. Peace.